Hello guys, welcome to Stay Tech, and today this video is all about the new operating system Android 8.0. So basically we have the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge here. So these two are the Samsung S7 Edge, probably, but you can't see it here, but yeah, they are the Samsung S7 Edge, and basically one of this mobile phone is 8.0 already and the other one still 7.0. so yeah, basically this video will tell you if it is really, you know, worth upgrading or updating your mobile phone to 8.0. so if any of you got S7 Edge, this video will be for you. So just to start with, this model is a European model anyway. These two mobile phone came out in 2016 and I bought it, both of these both in the UK, and it's been 2 years since this mobile phone, you know, it's been running. And yeah, this is the Exynos model, both are Exynos models. So if I can show you first, just gonna go to the settings really quick. I can't even find the settings, and there you go. About phone. So we have the Samsung S7 Edge there, and software info, so Android 7.0, and then the other one got 8.0, so 7.0 and 8.0. so the black one is still 7.0. I got an update today, but I haven't updated it to the Oreo, but this one has been updated. So yeah, what we're gonna do is to do the speed test on both of them. This is just one of the thing that some people is actually worried about, that it will make their mobile phone really slow after the update or something like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna check it out. Both devices are Exynos, European model and or European version, so there is no problem on that. And yeah, so we're gonna check it out. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure everything is closed on the background, making sure there is no application running in the background. So yeah, I just need to see the Antutu benchmark. Okay, so we have the Antutu benchmark here. Yeah, so we're gonna start the test now. So in 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh no. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and still going. Okay, so yeah, so that's the benchmark. Okay, so just to show you, we have the SMG935F there. So G935F, that is the Exynos model. So if you have like G9350, that's gonna be the Qualcomm, or I mean the Snapdragon. So yeah, so this is the Exynos. Okay, so we can start the test now in 3, 2, 1, go. Oops, still going. Okay, so don't forget, the black one is the 7.0 and the gold one is the 8.0. okay. Yeah, so as you can see, the 8.0 gone quicker than the 7.0. I'm gonna show it to you. I mean, to be honest, I'm still impressed with the Galaxy S7 Edge. They are still really quick. There are times that the S7 Edge, or this mobile phone, this 7.0 is actually getting sticky and laggy, but yeah, we will see if it will make any difference when we updated it to the 8.0. okay, so I'm just gonna continue doing these tests and I will let you know as soon as it's finished. Okay. Okay, so that's gonna be the result of the Android 8.0, which is this called Samsung S7 Edge, and this is the 7.0. So basically that's gonna be the total score of it. Yeah, and surprisingly that the S7 Edge in 8.0 is a lot higher than the 7.0. As you look at it from CPU, graphics, user's experience, and also the RAM, and yeah, that's quite good. And during the test as well, by the way, you see that, or you notice that the 8.0 has finished the test quicker than the 7.0. So there are some lagginess on the S7 Edge on 7.0, but the 8.0 is quite smooth. So yeah, so I would say that you can definitely update yours to 8.0 now, and yeah, that's gonna be it. So I would say in terms of speed, yeah, it has changed a lot. So yeah, you can change yours now. Anyway, so that's gonna be just the Antutu benchmark test of these two mobile phones. So if you have any question, just don't forget to put that in the comment section below, and if you are new to my channel, just subscribe. And also I'm gonna do more testing about this two mobile phone with 8.0 and 7.0. I'm gonna include the battery as well. Okay, so thank you for watching and goodbye.